Hello everyone, welcome to today's activity. Today's animal that we are going to be discussing about is giraffe. Have you ever seen one? They are the tallest mammals present on the earth. Their legs alone are taller than an average human, that is 6 feet. They can run as far as 35 miles an hour over a short distance, which is so fast. Now, let's get into our today's craft activity. Today we are going to be making a giraffe pencil stand. It looks just like this. This is so cute. I absolutely love this. So, let's get started with the activity. So first, these are the materials that we will need for today's craft. First, we will need an ochre color chart paper because this is the original color of giraffe. Next, we will need a small cardboard paper for a lower support. Next, we will need a pair of scissors, a pencil, a glue, an eraser, a black marker or a sketch pen, a brown sketch pen, and a scale. After we are done cutting, we will take the remaining piece and start cutting out a face. Just like that. How do you think a giraffe looks? Draw it according to that. While we are at it, did you know that giraffes only need to drink once every few days? Most of the water comes from the plants they eat. How many hours can you go without drinking water? I personally need to drink water every 1 hour. It is extremely important to drink water every single time and hydrate your body. And now we will cut this out. Now that we are done cutting this out, we will now go for the neck. So we will cut out the neck from here. Also, did you know that giraffes spend most of their life standing up, even when they sleep and when they give birth? That is so amazing. My legs would start hurting even after 30 minutes. And did you know that the baby giraffes can stand up and walk after 1 hour of coming into this world? That is so amazing. Now we will start coloring these with spots. As you know, giraffes have these brown spots. We will start drawing them. You can draw them anyhow you want. While we are at it, did you know that giraffes only need 5 to 30 minutes of sleep in a 24-period hour? Also, giraffes have been endangered in the recent years. So we should be very careful in preserving their habitat and protecting our animals. We don't want any animals to go extinct from this earth. That is absolutely scary. It is our responsibility to protect animals as humans. We'll draw the spots just like these. Now that we are done drawing patterns on them, we'll proceed on drawing the face of the giraffe. There, we are done. Now we will proceed on sticking them together. First, we will take this and roll it. It will look somewhat like this. Okay. Now, after completing all the steps, we will start sticking all the pieces together. And after sticking them together, it will look somewhat like this. This is a pencil stand. It looks so cute. I absolutely love this. And that's it for today's activity. I hope you guys enjoyed this craft session and learned something more about giraffe. Thank you so much for watching.